Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to turn up the heat and cooking up a chef inspired outfit that serves 5-star slay. So let me show you step by step build of the ultimate chef core outfits in DTI. Let's just get started. So in here for the hair, I'm combining these hairstyles in here, and for this one here I only use the bangs, this long hair, and color it black. Now to start, you can go in here and put on this set from the men's section. Let's put on the top first. So change the face color using this, the second preview using these patterns in here. And the button, I'm going to just go with black, and also use the pants and use the same pattern like the vest. Okay, so once you're done in here, you can just go here. I'm going to put on this boots and change the color into black, and also put on this glasses in here, and I'm going to put on the chef hat, this hat in here, color it white. And here you can go with this, or you can also use the adjustment feature to adjust the angle of the hat. I'm going to go with this. Now I'm going to grab the knife. Let's say that this is a knife shaft, and in here I'm going to use this accessory and color it black, and that's it. So this is the final look of chefs in DTI. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.